Hello YouTube. So I'm back in Thailand after a few weeks away on business, and I've just come to the house and I get an idea now of how big this house really is going to be. So the second floor, I mean that's a big truck park there, right? And you can see the size of the house. So the second floor now has all been concreted. You can see you get an idea of the house. Yeah, see the pool, mate. Pool's got all the scaffolding in it at the minute. Look up, so you can see it is big. Yeah, and you can see that area there is going to be where the workshop's going to go. But yeah, it's looking good, looking very big. A lot of work been done since I've been away. But yeah, impressed. Yeah, looks good, very good. And warm as well, I'll tell you that. It's hot. I've been in a cold climate for the last 3 or 4 weeks. Just come back, it's extremely warm. Yeah, very good. I mean, look at the amount of wood in there supporting that. When you get an idea of how high this house is going to be now. Yeah, mate? Hold on, mate. Yeah, so big. Go over here, you can see where the workshop's pegged out now. So I am up on the second level. As you can see, this is where the sun sets over here. So I'm on the balcony now, so you got a good view. So yeah, impressed. Does look good, doesn't it? It's very good. You also see over there is the other balcony. I'm quite happy with the view actually. I was a bit concerned with this big wall where these new properties going to be built over here, but yeah, good view. There, down on the pool, looks a lot bigger from up here. Yeah, you can see the second floor. So yesterday they poured the concrete on the second floor, so they're not working today. Obviously they'll maybe tomorrow they'll start moving all these wooden supports again. I know with the first floor, when they did the ceiling, the roof and the concrete structure, it was only 2 days and they were removing the shuttering and stuff, but say the actual supports have been there now for a good month. So yeah, I think they'll move the shuttering up here on top, but I'm not sure that they'll move these supports yet. I think they'll give it a bit more drying time. But I do get an idea of how big the house is now. And you can see down there where the truck is, that's where we're going to build the workshop. The guys are just there now piping the water tanks back in for the builders. But yeah, so we'll start doing the groundworks of the workshop tomorrow. And I also think they'll start removing them shutters. All them red shuttering across there, that'll all come down. But yeah, it's looking good. And even this balcony area here, this comes out of this bedroom here. It's a lot bigger than what I envisaged. It really is. So yeah, okay, we'll go and get something to eat. I'll go back down, clamber through all this wood. I'll just give you a little peek upstairs. So as you can see, I'm going to go, this is an ensuite bedroom. That's where the bathroom is going to be. You get an idea how big it is upstairs. So this will be the ensuite bathroom, walk-in wardrobe, and this is going to be the upstairs lounge here, this area here, with sliding French doors across the front of there. looking out over there. So yeah, looks very good. I'm impressed. Okay, that's it for now.